This is a sorbet recipe that was inspired by the classic cocktail The Sunrise, which is usually made with grenadine and orange juice. To make orange pomegranate sorbet, start by making a pomegranate honey simple syrup and a small amount of pomegranate molasses. Then peel and segment 4 or 5 navel oranges, including their juice, to total 400 grams, and add 100 grams of pomegranate honey simple syrup. Then blend and strain out any stray seeds, and freeze in a gelato machine. The sorbet is ready when it has thickened into a nice soft serve consistency. Add a little pomegranate simple syrup and a drizzle of pomegranate molasses on the bottom of a chilled small mason jar, and add a couple scoops of orange pomegranate sorbet. Then top with a frosting of powdered sugar and a drizzle of pomegranate molasses. Garnish with a sprig of spearmint and serve with a demi-tasse spoon.